Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve or fix driver-related issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer as it pertains to outdated drivers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best results should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. So there's a lot of devices and there's a lot of drivers. So basically, if you want to just double click on any particular one, I know disk drives are popular, display adapters, network adapters, print drivers as well as speakers to a lesser extent. Those are the primary ones. Basically, you can just double click on any of the categories here to see the hardware that's on your system. And you can just double click on the display adapter or whatever driver is listed under there. And then you can select the driver tab. And it'll tell you the driver version and the driver date. So if you want to go online and see if it's the most up-to-date version of the driver, Google is a very good resource for that. If you're out of date, the first thing I'd suggest doing would just be to go and updating the driver directly through Device Manager here, and then browsing your computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then select the manufacturer-specific driver unless there's only a generic driver available. Then you can select Next, and then it might take a moment to finish updating. And then you can go back in here and check and see if the updated version is the same version you had before. And if you might have to go onto the publisher's website and download driver software from there, you can just Google these names of these drivers and then just search for it on Google. Just be mindful of where you're downloading it from. Much better off trying to get it directly from the publisher if you can. If you can't, it happens sometimes, sites don't host these files forever, and then you have to go on third-party websites in order to find the drivers you need. Certainly understandable in some situations, so just something to keep in mind. But anyway, pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. You can also go through Windows Update as well. So if you open up the search menu and type in Windows Update, best match should come back with Windows Update Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath More Options, select Advanced Options. And then you want to select, if you scroll down a little bit further, under additional options, there are optional updates, which are feature, quality, and driver updates. So if you select that, sometimes driver updates will show up in this list. Not all the time, but sometimes. So just something else worth taking a look into. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.